Hey folks, welcome back to the forge. Or well, welcome to the edge of the frame. That blurry shape you are almost seeing, that was supposed to be my material. Cinematography 10 of 10. This is my very first attempt at a folding knife and also at making layered steel. Because if I'm gonna mess up, why not go big? I start by grinding everything flat because forge welding likes it smooth and drama free. Next I clean every surface with alcohol, not the drinking kind, the please don't let this weld fail kind. I tack all the layers together with the welder, then seal it up like leftovers in foil, because oxygen is the enemy and this is not a dinner party. I press very gently, probably too gently, and then I keep pressing and pressing, but hey, better safe than sorry, right? I carefully forge it longer, like super carefully. You'd think it was made of glass or something. There's a lot of scale from all that heat, so I go with water forging. Hit hot steel with water and boom, steam explosion. It's like giving the billet a spa treatment with violence. Hey, this is where we are at right now. It's too thick, it's 7mm thick, but we stumbled into an issue and I thought a lot about how to get over it. The issue is we have 5 layers, 3 different materials. 2 of the materials are high carbon and fairly hard, even if it's glowing red hot. And one of them is fairly soft because it's just wrought iron. And it looks like this at the moment, that this is the steel for the edge. This is high carbon steel, 1095, and this is the steel for thickness and contrast, I think I could call it that. And the outer layer is wrought iron, and this is weld heat. Yeah, this has to go anyway, but the problem now is, even if you're forging it, this is still harder, I think, than the outer shell. And now I have to get even thinner than this, but this is way thinner now than all the other parts. And they at the beginning they were all the same thickness. Yeah. But this is much harder to form than this, and now this is too thin, and it could be possible that if I grind it out, if I would grind it out to a thickness that a normal blade, this would totally be gone. And that's why I think I need to forge on it some more, but it could have the same effect. But to use wrought iron was my only goal. I want to see wrought iron on the side. So I will try it, even if it's a little bit risky. But that was the goal I wanted to achieve. So I will try it, even if I have to start all over. Yeah, but the edge steel is pretty good in the middle, so that's a good thing. And we try to manage with the other problem by forging on it some more. After a test cut, I see the layers are bonding nicely. Time to bring out the drawing dies and stretch things a bit more, like my patience. Now back to the flat dies, because guess what? Drawing dies aren't great for smooth surfaces. Who knew? Everyone knew. Okay, that somewhat worked. Now I'm totally confused, because now the outer parts are the thickest and the inner parts are thinner, but we got it thinner overall, so now I can grind off the scale and make a functioning knife out of it, I hope. But it's thin enough now, and I can go on with grinding. This part? Yeah, the audio's gone. No clue what I was saying, but I'm guessing it was something like cut off the weld seams and prep an offcut for etching. Also, watching myself silently talk and flail my arms is deeply unsettling. What am I even doing here? And into the acid it goes. Looks like the layers are centered nicely, I'd say that's a win. I grind a bevel on the offcut to preview the final blade. Left side wrought iron will look like wood grain, middle shiny 15 and 20, right the blade edge, this part will turn dark like my sense of humor. Time to remove more scale. It's never ending battle between steel and stuff that isn't steel. Thanks for watching, I hope to see you in the next video. Oh, and I totally forgot to film the profiling, so here's a dramatic reenactment.